I'm checking the speed of my turntable with the strobo disc, and to do that I also need a stroboscope, so I made a simple one. It's a little Hercules launchpad with two bright LEDs on, and I make them flash at 100 Hz, and that's exactly what I need to work with the strobo disc. When I shine the strobing LEDs on the strobo disc and the speed of the turntable is correct, then it looks as if the dots that you see here on the screen are standing still. So you can see here now that the turntable is put on 45 rounds per minute, and the inner circle represents the 45 rounds, and that is fairly stable. You see a little bit of movement, but that's also because of my camera. Let's now try 33 rounds per minute. We should look at the outer circle now, and if the speed of my turntable is correct, that outer circle should appear as standing still. If it's not perfect, many turntables have fine-tune options, so you can use those and the stroboscope to fix any issues.